Hi friends! Welcome sa Part 6 ng ating Principals Test Review 2022 o tinatawag ding National Qualifying Examination for School Heads. Ang review na to ngayon ay para sa pag-compute at pag-calculate ng mga details ng Key Performance Indicators ng MOOE at ng iba pang mga issuances ng DepEd. Kaya maghanda kayo ng inyong ballpen, lapis, o kaya naman ay inyong mga scratch papers para makapag-compute kayo. Sa bawat questions na ipa-flash ko, bibigyan ko kayo ng ilang segundo para makapag-compute at lalabas naman ang mga formula at mga solutions pati ang final answer na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Huwag kayong mag-alala, i-discuss ko to dahil meron naman mga basis ang ginawa kong mga sagot. Kaya start na tayo! So, my talk for this afternoon will be about data supplementation review. It is mainly on computations and calculations following various DepEd orders. Yan. I will be flashing a question and I will be giving you 1 minute to answer each question. Just try to answer the questions by simply computing based on your experience, based on your stock knowledge. So this is the first question. Calculate the gross enrollment ratio in early childhood development of school XY with a preschool enrollment of 300, considering that 75% of which has ages 4 to 5 years old. Timer starts now. Time is up po! So the given, of course, is the preschool enrollment is 300. So kita naman po natin, and 75% of preschool age 4 to 5 years old or 225. Kasi po kinuha natin yung 75% and 75% of 300 is 225. So that's the given. So what will be the formula? The formula is basically the preschool enrollment over the population ages 4 to 5 times 100. So the answer is 133.33%. Okay, this is the question. Time starts now. Okay po, time is up. So let me discuss again. So the given again is the total enrollment for grade 1 is 4,500 and the population of age 6 years old is 3,000. Tinitingnan po kasi dito yung age. So we will be looking for age 6 years old. And what is the formula? The formula is grade 1 enrollment over the population of pupils age 6 and you have to multiply the quotient by 100. So the answer is 150%. That is the apparent or gross intake rate. This is the next question. Time starts now. Okay po, time is up. So again, let us look for the given. The total enrollment of grade 1, age 6 pupils is 1,200. The population of age 6 years old is 1,300. So, mapapansin ninyo, 1,200 yung age 6. Tapos, yung population niya, syempre, total population is 1,300. And what will be the formula? The formula is grade 1 enrollment for age 6 all over the population of all pupils age 6 multiplied by 100. So the answer is 92.31%. Ito po, next po. Time is up. And let me discuss. The given is the total enrollment of Mabait Elementary School is 750. The population of age 6 to 11 years old is 745. So what will be the formula? The formula will be the total enrollment of grades 1 to 6 all over the population of 6 to 11 years old. Kasi po ang pinag-uusapan dito ay gross enrollment rate. And basically, you will cover ages of pupils within the range of 6 to 11. So the answer is 100.67%. That's the final answer. Let's proceed with the next question. Time starts now. Time is up. So, ang tinitingnan po natin dito ay secondary level. So, sa elementary po, meron din tayong formula. Sinilagay ko rin. Enrollment is 6 to 11 over population of ages 6 to 11. And for the secondary level, it's enrollment is 12 to 15 and population of 12 to 15 times 100. So, if you will be looking into the table, look for the enrollment of ages 12 to 15. So, nandito siya. And then, tingnan natin sa secondary, 218. And the population, of course, is 215. So, the answer will be, the answer will be 101.40%. So, that's the answer. Let's proceed with the next one. Yan. So, time starts now. Okay, time is up. So again, this is the formula and we will be looking now for the elementary level. The enrollment for the elementary for 6 to 11 is 198 while the population is 198 and so the participation rate is 100%. So alam ko perfect din kayo dyan because this is a very easy question. So get ready for the next question. Question number 7. Yan. Time starts now. Okay, time is up. So the given is the current grade 6 enrollment of 2,350. Ba, malaking school to. Grade 1 enrollment of 2,405 years ago. So, i-consider po yan. And the formula for elementary is for grade 6 enrollment for the current school year. So, that is 2,350 all over grade 1 enrollment 5 years ago. So, that is 2,400. So, the answer will be 97.92%. So, nabawasan lang ng kaunti. Kasi pag sinabing simple cohort survival rate is you will count the number of students a few years ago. Specifically for elementary, that is 5 years ago. And let's proceed to number 8. Time is up. So the given is the current grade 10 enrollment of 650 and grade 7 enrollment of 680 3 years ago. So may difference na nasa 30. So we will be considering secondary. So year 4 enrollment for the current school year all over year 1 enrollment 3 years ago. And so the answer is 95.59%. That's the answer for question number 8. So you simply divide and multiply that by 100. Question number 9. Time starts now. Okay, time is up. So the given is promoted students for the current year, which is 355, and the enrollment for the previous year, which is 400. So what is the formula? Promotees for the current year and enrollment for the previous year. So you have to divide. So mapapansin niyo yung previous year, siya lagi yung divisor, and you multiply that by 100. So the answer will be 88.75%. So medyo bumaba yung kanyang promotion rate by almost 11%. So mga ganun ang difference. So let's proceed to the next question, number 10. Starts now. Okay, time is up. So let's look for the given. So grade 6 graduates is 150, grade 6 enrollment is 165. The formula, you simply divide the graduates over the enrollment. So kung siya ay junior high school, tingnan nyo yung year 4 graduates and year 4 enrollment. Kung grade 6 naman, the same, graduate over enrollment. And the answer is 90.91%. Okay? So let's proceed with the 11th question. Time starts now. Time is up. So let's look for the given repeaters for the current year. Mapapansin ninyo, meron siyang repeater which is 8. Enrollment for the previous year which is 250. So what is the formula? Okay, so repeaters for the current year over enrollment of the previous year. So that is, of course, 8 over 250 times 100. So the answer is 3.2%. So medyo malaki, 3.2% yung nagre-repeat all over dun sa 250 enrollment. So let's proceed with the next one. Time is up. So let's look for the given dropouts of 6. Enrollment for the current school year is 190. The formula is dropouts. So end of school year dropouts for the current year all over the enrollment for the beginning of school year enrollment for the current school year. And so the answer is 3.16%. That will be the simple dropout rate of Masipag Elementary School. So let's proceed with the next one. Time starts now.
Nag-ano ka tayo sir? Nag-host over na tayo.
May ano? Pa-review? Time is up. So the given is the grade 7 enrollment for the current year is 490 with 5 repeaters. Take note, there were 5 repeaters. And previous enrollment for grade 6 is 500. So the formula is enrollment for the new entrants less the 5 repeaters for the current school year. And you divide that by the enrollment for the previous school year, which is 500. So the answer is 97%. So that's the transition rate. Okay? So let's proceed. Next question.
Okay po sir, yun po yun. Tingin sir.
time is up. Let me show you the given. So the given for grades 8 to 12, beginning of school year enrollment is 500. Grade 7 to 11, beginning of school year enrollment for the previous school year is 530. So this is the formula for elementary and secondary. But we are talking about Matikas National High School, so it is a secondary school. So you use the formula beginning of school year enrollment for grades 8 to 12 for the current school year all over the beginning of school year enrollment for grades 7 to 11. And so the answer is 94.34%. MOE na po tayo. Time is up po. So the answer is 67,500. Bakit ganun? Hindi niya kinompleto yung 90,000 pesos, hindi 100%. The basis is a school principal can replenish its cash advance once liquidation reach at least 75% of the previous cash advance. Okay? So, yan po ang ating basis, and that is stipulated in section 4 of Presidential Decree number 1445, which is the Government Auditing Code of the Philippines. Although mas maganda naman syempre pag tayo ay naka 100% na liquidation kasi basis siya sa ating performance-based bonus. But talagang pag hindi kaya, at least you liquidate 75%, and 75% of 90,000 is 67,500. So, next question. Simple na yan. Okay, yan. Actually, if you know the policy, you can answer this easily. This is an easy question for those who know the policy. Okay? So, let me show the answer. So, the question is, what will be your easy answer to the parent? Tinanong ka, magbabayad daw siya voluntarily ng kanyang BSP contribution at saka school publication fee. Namili, yun lang gustong bayaran. So, the answer is 110 pesos. What is the basis? Ito yan. So, sinama ko na lahat. For BSP, that is 50 pesos per learner. DepEd memo number 513 series of 2009. For GSP, it's the same, 50 pesos per learner. This is DepEd memorandum number 235 series of 2009. And then, ito na yung anti-TB fund, 5 pesos per learner. DepEd order number 31, series of 2001. And PTA to be determined by Board of Directors. Kasi minsan yung PTA fund, merong ibinibigay sa local, sa district. So, nadidetermine siya. School publication, depende sa resolution. School publication is a minimum of 60 pesos for elementary students and 90 pesos for secondary students. That is under DepEd Order number 13 series of 2008. And membership in student organizations based on existing school policies and yung mga science club, Filipino club, English club, and all others. DepEd Order number 48 series of 2009. So, pag natanong kayo, BSP, yung listahan, 50. Tapos, school publication, 60. So, the answer is 110 pesos. So, that's how you answer. So, next question. So let me discuss. One of the administrative assistants in your school asked for flexible working hours. As the principal of the school, will you grant his or her request? The answer is no. Because flexible working hours shall apply only to all non-teaching personnel in the central, regional, and schools division offices. So, sa mga ano lang siya, central, regional, and schools division offices. And flexible working hours starts from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and ends from 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. The basis is division DepEd Order number 23 series of 2018, which is the implementation of the flexible working hours for non-teaching personnel. Hindi naman to yung awa, this is for flexi working hours. A teacher who has 7 years in service asks you to approve his or her study leave. If he or she has a salary of 28,276 as teacher 3, how much he or she can receive monthly, provided he or she took a regular study load and passes 75% of his or her courses. So, tama-tama ito dun sa mga may 7 years na in service na gustong mag-study leave. So, what will be the answer? The answer is 18,379.40. And what is the basis? The basis is Republic Act 4670. Na you can get 65% of your salary. So, you will compute 28,276. You multiply that by 65% and the answer will be 18,379.40. Provided continuous service for 7 years. So, ito pong computation can be adjusted kung ang teacher 1 or teacher 2 ay lower ang salary, you simply multiply that by 65%.